Squiz Kids!
It's your daily news fix. Fun, free, fresh.
Hey there, Squiz Kids Brainiacs! Welcome to your school holiday brain teaser. We're taking a little break from our normal daily news podcast, but don't you worry, we've got a fun and sometimes challenging 2-minute podcast that'll jumpstart your brain for the day and keep those cogs turning. I'm Christy Kijarina. It's Thursday, September 26. Oh, National Dumpling Day. Whether you're into wontons, gyoza, mandu or bun botlock, today is the day to enjoy these little pockets of deliciousness. I've stuck a link to a super easy to make vegetarian dumpling recipe in your episode notes. Yum. Let's shift from delicious dumplings to brain-boosting fun. Ready to put your brains into gear? Okay, let's do this. Today's brain teaser is Millie is walking barefoot through a damp, dark basement when a huge rat scurries across her feet. Instead of screaming, Millie smiles. Why? Let's hear that one again. Millie is walking barefoot through a damp, dark basement when a huge rat scurries across her feet. And instead of screaming, Millie smiles. Why? Do you think you've cracked it, or are you feeling stumped? If you need a hint, just ask an adult to check out Squiz Kids on Facebook or Instagram after midday today. Then tune back in after 2:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Time today for the answer. Now get out there and have a most excellent holiday. Over and out.